It's really exciting to celebrate 20 years of manufacturing at our Mississippi facility and to see what we've been able to accomplish over those 20 years and the growth and the expansion that's ongoing today.
We do some pretty incredible things. We have an automated fiber placement machine, which is one of the most advanced ways to fabricate large composite airframe structures. We then use laser trackers to three-dimensionally inspect our parts. We have the ability to see inside of our parts using ultrasonic inspection methods to ensure that they are free of any foreign material, they meet the requirements, they're structurally stable, and will perform as intended when they are attached to the aircraft.
The heart and soul of the site is the team that we have in Mississippi. Whether it's a new technician that's just come in the door, a manufacturing engineer that's grown and developed while working at Mississippi, or the 100 team members that are there helping each other every day to build world-class composite structures.
We have a very tight relationship with the local community college at EMCC. We have a program set up with them to bring our new workforce in, which is supported by our employees. We also work very closely with Mississippi State and the Advanced Composite Institute, ACI. That relationship has allowed us to really enrich the local GTR community, educate our local workforce, and deliver high-performing aircraft to our customers.